Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amethyst hoop earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach the amethyst to the smallest hoop. So to do this, we're going to use stainless steel wire. This is a 22 gauge. I'm going to string the amethyst onto the wire, and then I'm going to leave one side slightly longer than the other, and I'm going to bend them up so that they crisscross at the top of the amethyst. And then once I can see where they meet up evenly, then I'm going to take my pliers, and the one that's longer, I'm going to take that one and I'm going to bend that one up straight like that. Then I'm going to hold my wire and my bead, and I'm going to wrap that around and coil it around a couple times. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And then I'm going to hold it at the top of the coil, and I'm going to bend it away from me, creating a 90-degree angle. And I'm going to put my pliers at the top and bend it around. And then I'm going to string on my hoop. And I'm going to hold it in the coil. And then I'm going to loop it back around a few more times. And then you can cut off the excess wire. Next, we're going to take this 6mm jump ring. And unfortunately, I didn't have an open one. So this is a closed one, and I'm just going to use my pliers to cut it and make it open. And I'm going to take it and twist that open. And I'm going to attach my hoop and my other two hoops. I'm going to grab my pliers, and I'm going to twist that back into place. Then I'm going to take my 4mm jump ring, and I'm going to put my pliers on one side and pliers on the other, and I'm just going to gently twist that open. And I'm going to attach my lever back ear wire and the jump ring. I'm going to take my pliers and twist it back into place. And that's it. Your earring's done. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.